2014 will go down as the warmest year around the globe in recorded history.
2015 was the hottest year since climate records began.
Figures show this July was the single hottest month in recorded history.
Australia sweltered through its hottest spring on record.
The phenomenon was a short-term trigger to a long-term global warming caused by human activity.
Climate change is now affecting every country on every continent.
It's the rate that's of great concern.
And what do you put that rate down to?
Oh, it's human activity.
Watch every single second, because those seconds, they turn into minutes, and minutes turn into hours, and hours turn into days, and days turn into years. And in those precious seconds, you are either building or you are decaying. You are either gaining ground or you are losing ground in that second, and in every second. Every second counts.
We willen iedere dag met plezier naar ons werk, om samen met leuke mensen te werken aan technische uitdagingen.
Het is onze ambitie om ons bedrijf te laten groeien naar een speler die veel bedrijven in de industrie de helpende hand biedt in het vinden van duurzame oplossingen.
Onze missie met Brusche Process Technology een bijdrage leveren aan het verduurzamen van de procesindustrie en daarmee een mooie toekomst genereren voor volgende generaties.